Today we are going to discuss consistency of non-homogeneous linear equation. Now let me start concept of consistency in non-homogeneous linear equation. Condition for consistency. Consider m equation in n unknowns. Therefore, the system of non-homogeneous linear equation given as the system of non-homogeneous linear equation is given as, this is a system of m equations, so that's why I'm taking here the system as a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus and so on. There are n unknowns, that's why I'm taking here a1n xn, that is equal to some constant here b1. Also I'm considering here a12, that is the second equation is here a12 x1 plus a now I'm considering the second equation as a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus and so on plus a2n xn, that is equal to b2. So in this way we have to consider m equations. So am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus and so on plus amn xn, that is equal to bn is there. Now this is a system of m equations. This is a system of m number of equations and n unknowns The above system can be written in matrix form as, the above system can be written in matrix form as, that is ax is equal to b. Okay, so in this way you have to write ax is equal to b. That is a given system of linear equation can be written in matrix form as, this is a first matrix A, that matrix is called as coefficient matrix, so this is a11 a12 and so on a1n. Second equation a21 a22 and so on a2n and so on. There are m equations, that's why am1 am2 amn, these are the system of m equation. We take in first matrix, that is called as, this is coefficient matrix, so we call that matrix is a matrix, that is capital A matrix. After that you have to taking the matrix x, capital X, as this is matrix unknowns, this is x1 x2 and so on xn, and the matrix B is taken in RHS matrix. B takes the value b1 b2 and so on bn. Okay, we take the above system of non-homogeneous linear equation in, that is m equation and n unknowns, in the form of ax plus b. For references we called this is equation number 1. Now let me check condition for consistency. When the system of linear equation has condition for consistency, when the system of linear equation non-homogeneous linear equation as, taking as system of non-homogeneous linear equation has one or more solution, then system has system is consistent. Otherwise we say it is inconsistent. Okay, when system has one or more solution, we call this is a system is a consistent, otherwise this is inconsistent. So that is a first condition for consistency. Here. Okay, now after that you have to also check the rank of a matrix. Okay, the rank of a matrix. This is suppose a system. Okay, suppose this system has the form ax is equal to b, means a into capital X, that is equal to b, means where a is called as coefficient matrix, x is a matrix is called as unknown matrix, and b matrix is called as a constant matrix. Okay, is a consistent if and only if. Okay, is consistent if and only if the rank of matrix A and the rank of augmented matrix is same. Okay, means the system Ax is equal to B is a consistent if and only if the rank of matrix A and rank of augmented matrix means what is the matrix, it is a combination of matrix A and matrix B. Okay, is the same. So that is I am saying here the rank of a matrix A, it is denoted by row of A, and that is equal to, this is denoted by rank of matrix augmented matrix is AB. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, means if both ranks are same, then it has a solution, then it is a consistent. Then I am writing here, then the system is a consistent. And if rank of matrix A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix, that is a combination of AB matrix, is not equal to, then the system is inconsistent. Okay, this is very easy condition for consistency here. If rank will be same, then system is called as consistent. If rank is not equal to rank of augmented matrix, means ranks are not same, then system is called as inconsistent. Okay, so for consistency there are again two cases. Now I am considering here for consistency there are two cases. So let me start case number first. If rank of matrix A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB is the same. Okay, and that is equal to, suppose n, and n is number of unknowns. Means if rank of matrix A is equal to rank of matrix augmented matrix AB is the same, then system has a unique solution. And case number 2 we discuss here. Case number 2, that is depending on this rank of matrix. Case number 2 as if rank of matrix A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB is less than number of unknowns. I am saying here is less than number of unknowns. Then the system has infinitely many solution. Okay, means if system is consistent, there are two cases. If rank of matrix A is equal to rank of matrix AB, that is equal to number of unknown, then system has a unique solution, means system has only one solution. And case number second is there, if rank of matrix A is equal to rank of matrix augmented matrix, rank of augmented matrix AB is less than n, then the system has infinitely many solution, means the system has more than one solution. It may be infinitely many solution. In this case, we have to check here, we have to take n minus r, means we have to take how many infinitely many solution. So by using n minus r, so that is called as parameter, and it is assigned to arbitrary value. So remaining value we can be expressed in terms of parameter. Okay, means in case number second, suppose system has infinitely many solution, we have to write the values in terms of parameter, means you have to write solution in terms of parameter. And you remember one thing is also there, if rank of matrix A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix AB, then system is inconsistent. Means if rank will not same, then we say system is inconsistent. Then system is inconsistent. And if system is inconsistent, therefore it has no solution. Clearly it has no solution. The system is inconsistent, so it has no solution. You have to also remember that one note is there. So what is a note? The linear system has unique solution if the linear system has unique solution if determinant of matrix A, that is equal to mod of A, is not equal to 0, then the system has a unique solution. There is another way to check whether it has a solution or it is a consistent or not. Okay, this is a condition for consistency. Now we take a common chart for condition of consistency here, and the result related to consistency of non-homogeneous system of equation can be remembered by using the next chart is there. Suppose I have to take here non-homogeneous system of linear equation. So let's see. Suppose this is a non-homogeneous system of linear equation and it contains a system as Ax is equal to b. The system as Ax is equal to b. Suppose m is not equal to n, means number of unknown is not equal to number of equations, and also there is, I am considering m is equal to n, means m equation, and that is equal to number of unknown, and is suppose greater than 3 is there. This is suppose greater than 3. You observe this very clearly. If this is a given system, then it has a solution or not, means it is decided by using consistency or inconsistency. So this is system of linear equation. We defined here it is a consistency or not. Okay, means it is inconsistency. So it has a two types. So consistent if, I am writing here consistent if there is a condition. What is a condition? If the system is a condition, rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank of matrix A is the same. and that is equal to, we say rank is R. And if this is inconsistent if rank of matrix A is not equal to rank of matrix AB, is not equal to rank of augmented matrix AB, so this can be written as A/B. And now after if consistent, then it has again two types, means consistent if it has a solution. So therefore I am writing here it has a solution. So it has a solution. And if this system has a solution, then it has a two types again. So which are the two types again here? So it has a unique solution, and second one is infinitely many solution, means I am writing here infinite solution. If system has unique solution, then what is the condition is that, means here is very easy, rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB is equal to number of unknowns, that number of unknown denote n is there. And if system has infinite solution, then rank of matrix A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB is less than number of unknown, then system has infinitely many solution. And here is very clearly, if system is inconsistent, then system has no solution. So I am directly writing here, then system has no solution. So this is a chart for check consistency of Ax plus B. Okay, so I am writing here chart for consistency. Okay, means once again I clearly explain here. So if your system is a non-homogeneous system of linear equation, that is Ax is equal to B, if m is not equal to n and m is equal to n is greater than 3, then the system is a consistent if rank will be same, that is rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank of A, that is the same, then it has a solution. And if it has a solution, there are two types of solution. So first one is a unique solution, and second one is, what is that, infinitely many solution. If rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to n, that is a number of unknowns, then system has a unique solution. And if it has infinitely many solution, then it satisfies the condition rank of matrix A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB is less than n, then system has infinitely many solution. And here is, if it is inconsistent, then rank is not a match, rank is a different, means rank of A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix, then clearly the system has no solution. So this is chart for consistency, and by using the chart you have to solve, or you have to find the consistency of matrix. By using the chart we have to find consistency of given system of non-homogeneous linear equation. Now this is a very easy chart. If system is a consistent, rank will be same. If it is inconsistent, rank is not match. If the system is a consistent, then it has a unique solution. And if system is contain infinitely many solution, then the rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix is less than n. So this is a concept of consistency. I hope you all of these you have to getting this very well and understanding this very well. Consistency of non-homogeneous system. Thank you.